Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to transfer USDT from Tonkeeper to Binance. So this is a quick and easy process. So make sure you stick till the end to do this. So first of all, navigate to your Tonkeeper application. Now, after navigating to the application, make sure you're in the correct wallet. If you're not, simply click on Add Wallet button, click on Create New Wallet and choose an icon for your wallet. Now, click on Continue, create a passcode and you would have successfully created a new wallet. Now what you'll have to do is simply click on the swap icon just right here and it is going to take you to this page that says Ton and select. So this is Ton and in the receive section, you'll have to click on select and choose USDT. After selecting USDT, go to balance and type in the amount you need. You can also type in the amount needed in Ton and it will be automatically converted. Now, after you do this, you'll have to simply swap the Ton to USDT. If you don't have it, simply buy Ton. Now, after doing this, click on the send icon and you will see this page where you will see you need to have an address or name and amount. So now what you'll have to do is simply navigate to Binance application. It is going to show up like this. So this is Binance interface here. You'll have to click on the deposit icon here. Now choose deposit crypto. On this page, you'll have to search for USDT. Click on USDT and in this, you'll have to choose Ton Coin Network. After choosing this, you'll have to click on OK and you will see the deposit address just right here. Simply click on this small copy button. It is going to copy this address. Go back to Tonkeeper wallet, paste the address here, go back, copy the USDT memo, go back to Ton and in the required comment section, you'll have to paste the code we copied just right now and in the amount section, type in the amount of USDT you want to transfer from Tonkeeper to Binance. Now click on continue. After clicking on continue, you'll have to just follow few prompts and you would have successfully transferred USDT from Tonkeeper to Binance. So that's the simple way to transfer USDT from Tonkeeper to Binance. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.